You're going to pull out the plastic pin on the corner right there and pull that expanding rivet out. And then you've got quarter turn 10mm plastic nuts across the top. So quarter turn them to move the little lever. And then these covers will come off. Now, as always, on this side, you've got your positive battery post. I'm going to get a rubber glove to cover the post once I have that exposed, because when you pull this out, you want to be really careful you don't hit your positive battery post. Now, lastly, the grommet on this side will lift, so you can just take it out. There are two 13mm bolts here and here. Your car, if it's an M3 or an M4, you might have 3 bolts up here at the top. But there's 1, 2, 13mm, 1, 2 in the front. I have a little bit different bolts. I'll speak to those in just a second. There are 2 short 13mm across the front and the 13mm in the back. So once you pull these covers off, you pull those 13mm bolts on both sides, lift the rubber grommet on that side, and slide the whole thing out. Now, in my case, obviously, I do not have the default OEM bolts,